how are we going to communicate with something that's miles away, that's behind a building, behind a hill, and that we can't see? There's really two different types of ways you can communicate with a UAV.
This size UAS, the small UASs, they tend to communicate using short-range radio. So that gives them, at best, maybe a mile range. We have much, much more range than that.
You need line of sight. Traditionally, this isn't a problem because you're thousands of feet in the air and you can see the thing from far away. In this type of competition, though, we're going to be at such low altitudes. Geographical features like hills, trees, even buildings and power lines can get in the way and interrupt.
Some UAVs have used satellite communications. Some problems with that would include limited bandwidth and delay times.
We didn't use them because they tend to be heavy, they tend to be expensive, and they tend to be high power. So we think our approach is better.
I don't think any micro air vehicles are flying beyond line of sight currently.
For small, close urban environments, one of the big issues is even if it's not beyond line of sight, it's actually keeping steady comms. So one of the ways we're approaching that is we're actually leveraging on using on top of the cell network.
We're using a cell phone to connect to our platform via the internet. This is great because we have an existing infrastructure that's already in place.
The cell network, you can go anywhere. You could potentially be flying the aircraft from halfway across town or across the country. I would say the range is unlimited.
So one of the big innovations that SwiftSight provides is scalable data control. We want to be able to provide very high resolution images when we want to. We also want to work in environments that have really low cell connection.
We vary the bandwidth of the video, incoming video, based on the available bandwidth.
In a lot of cases, you don't necessarily need a big bandwidth. So we've actually developed that we can scale our pipe, our data communications really low, so that we can go in far rural areas. The SwiftSight is more than just a platform. It's a platform and a comm system and a communication tablet. It's the whole suite to meet the DARPA requirements.